Hello, my name is Annabelle Nevels. This is my presentation on how to become a distribution manager. I'm enrolled in Foundations of Online Learning with AMU from February 2017 to April 2017. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Okay, so what is distribution management? Distribution management is a logistics and supply chain from corporate and federal government levels. As quoted from the article from Q Finance, The Ultimate Resources, Distribution Management Operations and Production, it states distribution management encompasses such activities as warehousing, materials handling, packaging, stock control, order processing, and transportation. Also, it is the management of resources and processes used to deliver a product from a production location to the point of sale, including storage at a warehousing locations or delivery to retail distribution points. Distribution management also includes determination of optimal quantities of a product for delivery to particular warehouses or points of sale in order to achieve the most efficient delivery to customers. In short, if you can look at the bottom of the slide, there is an equation of distribution. So it's logistics equals materials management plus distribution. It's also a key element within corporate businesses and federal governments. Distribution management has three main functions: production, marketing, and finance. In production, it includes the scheduling, production control, warehouse design, material stocks, and in marketing, the customer service, packaging, distribution location, inventory, and order processing. The finance portion is the stock control, equipment financing, and distribution cost control. An example of this distribution cycle or these functions can be as small as providing delivery of food products to your local supermarket and as big as coordinating delivery for a major oil company. Every retailer has this function, corporate and federal, in providing a product to the final destination or buyer. As you can see in the picture, a small distribution management cycle. So the manufacturer requires distribution of its goods to get it to the retail chains, the supermarkets, any type of retail stores. There are many jobs within the field of distribution management. As you can see in the picture, there are positions in the manufacturing or production, sales or marketing, and financial administration. The career path that I would like to pursue is becoming a distribution manager. On this slide, there are listed responsibilities of a distribution manager. So they oversee daily operations and employees, oversee the purchasing of products, negotiation with suppliers. They meet consumer product demands and create ways to minimize costs for transportation of goods. And finally, work within the corporate, manufacturing, or federal government. So how do you become a distribution manager? Depending on the demand of the logistics position or the employer, in some positions you may only require work experience from the military or corporate fields that are from the supply chain, distribution management, and having the experience in different types of logistics systems, such as a system that deals with radio frequency identifications. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Logistician's Occupational Outlook Handbook, some employers allow applicants to substitute several years of work experience for a degree. Also, vice work experience, there are education requirements. Again, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, Logistician's Occupational Outlook Handbook, logisticians may qualify for some positions with an associate's degree, but there are a lot of complex logistics positions, and more companies prefer to hire workers who have at least a bachelor's degree in business systems, engineering, or supply chain management. So ultimately, in order for me to apply for a distribution manager position, I would want to have a bachelor's degree in transportation and logistics management. That way, I have a higher chance in getting the position. Also, there are required skills to have to become a successful distribution manager or to obtain the position as a distribution manager, such as communication, organizational, problem solving, critical thinking, and time management, leadership, and interpersonal skills. I feel that I obtained these skills in my current job I have today. I would just have to incorporate more skills the position demands for at the time of when I apply for a distribution manager position. For example, my experience is solely based on the military processes for distribution management. Although it is similar to the corporate level, I would just need to become more knowledgeable in the corporate language, or if they have any different processes due to that they are commercial companies. The job outlook statistics I obtain are from the Handbook of Logistics and Distribution Management, Understanding the Supply Chain, had statistics from the year of 2014 for the job outlook of a distribution manager. The annual salary is about $74,260. Averaging about $35.70 an hour. The job growth is 2% for all logistics positions, and the number of jobs in the year of 2014 were 130,400. The increased employment change is about 2,500 a year, and the business hours of the position is full-time, normal, regular business hours. There are different types of work conditions in the distribution management field, and if I apply for a distribution manager position, it's common in every industry. It can be part of a general freight trucking company, warehouse and storage industry, retail stores, supermarkets, manufacturing plants, federal government, cargo and air transportation, airport or package delivery, oil extraction, gas transportation industry, and petroleum or mining company. So either the work conditions could be an office, or outside in a port, or outside in a gas industry, or in any type of air terminal. There's different types of work conditions within distribution management. So in summary, my reflection on this overall process and researching what are the requirements and what a distribution manager is, I feel that due to my military background of distribution, this career path is beneficial for my future. I have the years experience in the logistics, supply chain, and distribution management field. The distribution field covers all aspects of a corporate or federal government organization. It is a key component to these organizations to deliver a product at the most lowest cost and in an expedient manner from a production location to the point of sale. I foresee once I complete my education goals that I would have an advantage and have a great opportunity in the distribution field. Throughout this research process, it has helped me narrow the field I want to pursue my career in. I use the tools from this course to help me research the career topic. I used the APUS library and other online sources. I also organized and cited my resources to create this presentation. The next 3 slides are my cited sources. I used the APUS library and found 2 of my sources, and I used 3 other ones from some other online sources. And here are my final 2 sources for this presentation on distribution management and how to become a distribution manager. The sources on these slides are the sources where I obtained the pictures for this presentation. So this concludes my presentation on distribution management and how to become a distribution manager. I appreciate the time you took out to view and hear out my presentation. Thank you again, and good luck to everybody.